You know that feeling, right? Walking through your front door after a long day. Your home. It's more than just a house. It's your castle. But, and this is a big but, living here in Alberta means protecting that castle comes with some pretty unique challenges. So today, we're going to dive into how you can make sure your biggest investment is actually truly protected.
So let's just ask the question straight up. You've poured so much into this place, your time, your money, your future. But are you 100% sure it's safe from all the things you just can't predict? It's a question that can definitely keep you up at night. Our goal today is to give you the info you need to answer that with a confident yes.
Okay, first things first. Let's really hammer down what's at stake. We're not just talking about 4 walls and a roof here. We're talking about protecting a massive piece of your life's work.
Think about it. For most of us, our home is the biggest financial investment we'll ever make. But it's also where life happens. It's where all the memories are. Home insurance is really just a safety net, designed to protect both the financial side and the personal side when things go sideways.
Now here's the thing. Protecting a home in Alberta. It's a whole different ballgame. We've got some wild cards up our sleeve here that you just don't see in other parts of the country.
Exactly. We've all seen it, right? A summer hailstorm that comes out of nowhere, or a deep freeze in the winter that just doesn't quit. Our weather isn't just small talk. It's a huge reason why having the right kind of insurance isn't just a smart idea, it's absolutely essential.
And just look at what we're talking about. Overland floods when the snow melts too fast, sewer backups after a crazy downpour, and yep, those hailstorms that can literally shred a roof in minutes. Now, here's the scary part. A basic cookie-cutter insurance policy, it might not cover any of that. This is where having real local knowledge becomes your secret weapon.
And this is a really crucial point. While no, there isn't a law that says you have to have home insurance, your mortgage lender will absolutely insist on it. And why is that? Well, they want to protect their investment, and honestly, so should you. For pretty much every homeowner out there, it's a non-negotiable part of owning your home.
All right, so you get it, you need it, but what in the world are you actually paying for every month? Let's quickly break down the 3 main parts of a home insurance policy. I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds.
First up is building coverage. This is exactly what it sounds like. It protects the actual building, the walls, the roof, the foundation. If there's a fire or a big windstorm takes off some shingles, this is the part of your policy that pays to put your house back together.
Next, you've got contents coverage. This is for all your stuff inside the house. Your couch, your TV, your computer, all your clothes. It's the part that helps you replace the things that make your house feel like a home.
And last, but definitely not least, is personal liability. This one is huge. It protects you financially if someone accidentally gets hurt on your property. Let's say the delivery driver slips on your icy steps in January. This coverage could literally save you from a lawsuit that could wipe you out. It is a true financial lifesaver.
Okay, so you know the risks, you know the coverage basics. But how do you actually find the right policy? One that covers you for Alberta's specific craziness without getting totally overwhelmed. Let's walk through a super simple, stress-free way to get it done.
And the best part? It really boils down to just 4 simple steps. You give them your info, an expert does all the heavy lifting and compares all the quotes for you, then you get a simple list of your best options, and you just pick the one that fits. No fuss, no headaches. It's really that easy.
So, who is this expert that's doing all the shopping for you? And how do you know you're getting the right advice, not just a good price? Well, this is where having an insurance broker, like the local pros at Broker Canada, can be a total game changer. Just imagine this for a second. Over 20 different insurance companies, all competing for your business. That's what a broker does. Instead of you spending hours calling around, they make the big insurance companies fight for you. And it's not just about getting a good price. With over 18 years of experience right here in Alberta, these guys know our province. They know exactly which companies will have your back when a hailstorm hits, and which ones might leave you out in the cold.
And here it is, the number you were probably waiting for. An average savings of 30%. 30%! Just think for a second what you could do with that extra cash every single year. That's what happens when you have a pro on your side who knows how to make the market work for you.
So what does this all mean for you? It means you have a whole team of local experts in your corner, fighting to get you the absolute best coverage for the best price. They're not just going to sell you a policy and vanish. They're your trusted advisors for the long run.
And you know what? It gets even better. You can make your life way simpler and save even more money by bundling your home and auto insurance together. I mean, think about it. One expert, one number to call for all your protection, and even deeper discounts. It just makes sense.
So, we've covered a lot of ground. You know the risks here in Alberta, you know what good coverage looks like, and you know there's a much smarter way to shop for it. The only real question left is this one. Are you absolutely sure you're not overpaying for your peace of mind? If there's even a little bit of doubt, it might be time to find out.